I'm just so grateful that we've been able to come here today as pura, as rangatahi, with my cousin Te Kanawa, with our other friends from Kirikiriroa, Te Kahurangi, who's also going, and I'm meeting the young girl who won Rāwhiti Ihaka. I'm just so grateful for especially my cousin Te Kanawa.
Well, can you talk to us a little bit about your kaupapa? Why?
Yeah, I think I first saw the kaupapa and thought, it's a bit, there can be more to it, and there's more that there is to the kōrero, like ahika, there's something bigger than all of us, it's bigger than Manu Koorero, and I just wanted to kind of express that because we all know it, I just wanted to put it into words, that's all.
How does it feel to and coming here today? How did you find the kaupapa? How was it for you?
I think Pūkōrero did an awesome job at hosting us. Just so grateful, and being able to go to Wanganui. I'm from Wanganui, but being able to go as part of Tainui waka this year, as last year. But yeah, just so grateful and excited. Yeah.
Well, what do you hope to achieve?
I think that Manu Koorero is the best thing that could happen for my oratory career. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.